Don't say, I have lived here since 5 years.
You should say, I have lived here for 5 years.
Don't say she is since 2020.
Instead, she has been married since 2020.
Use the present perfect for ongoing actions.
Don't say, I arrived to the airport early.
You should say, I arrived at the airport early.
Don't say, there have a beautiful park.
Instead say, there is a beautiful park near my house.
Use there is for singular items that exist.
Keep learning and improve your English.
Don't say, everyone have their own opinion.
Instead, you should say, every has their own opinion.
Everyone is a singular pronoun.
Don't say, I have much friends at school.
Instead, you should say, I have many friends at school.
Use many for countable nouns like friends. Never say, let me to help you.
Instead, you should say, let me help you. The verb help does not need to here.
Never say, they made me to laugh.
You should say, they made me laugh. Verbs like make don't use to. Don't say, he is married with an American woman.
That's right, married with is a very common mistake.
Always use to. He is married to an American woman.
Don't say, I'm worried of my exam.
You should say, I'm worried about my exam.